Guys, this piece is an afterthought. It's going to go at the end of the presentation on B2B. And here's what this is. This is a company called Winmo. And this is the type of service that's available with B2B selling. Okay, so what Winmo is it's a resource to help, in this case, media companies or ad agencies prospect for new clients. So it's basically about agencies finding advertisers to talk to, brands and companies. This is the kind of thing that Lester Wunderman would have liked to subscribe to find new companies to talk to. And it's for media companies selling their pages and their radio spots to know who to talk to, mostly at the client. So who's running marketing, who's running this, what are the clients doing, what kind of campaigns are they running, etc. See, agency new business, media sales. So if we go to media sales, let's see what we got. See, I don't want to request a demo. See, they're aggressive salespeople. This is a B2B product. So these are some testimonials. These are some of the contacts or some of the clients, media companies that use Winmo to, all right, sales predictions. Okay, request demo. So they're going to give me another one. So they have reporters who talk to companies. It's a huge advertiser database. Here's another testimonial. There's another. I guess they're flipping right through. Oh, okay. I thought I knew that guy. Who we help. Features. We looked at that. Resources. Webinars, videos, infographics, ebooks. Company, about, careers. Let's look at about. And so there are companies like this who are client information resources, prospecting resources in different industries. This is for the media advertising industry. I will bet dollars to donuts that there's one for selling software programs to folks, and here's their whole thing here. Yeah, so they've acquired a lot of companies, young people running the business. Okay, all right. So, and one thing I wanted to mention was just wondering if we can targeted contact search, if it's going to show us any examples of anything. Probably not too much. But I can go in here, and I can basically search for a company, an advertiser, and I can find information. I can find organizational charts. I can find names of people, titles, email addresses, and links to their LinkedIn profile and their other social profiles. So if they have Facebook profile or an Instagram profile, I can find those. And one reason I'm mentioning that is these are the kinds of added little resources that can help you come up with a psychographic profile, a personality type profile for the people at the companies. And we talked about that a little bit in the overall lecture. And so, anyway, just be aware that there are, you can also get news by company. So, interesting resource that kind of plugs in. Typically, a media sales organization will have Salesforce.com for their sellers to enter information in their activities, but they're likely to subscribe to a resource like this to get fast information about companies they're targeting where they don't know people. They need to get lists of decision makers, and it's all right here at their fingertips. It can be imported into Salesforce very easily. And they can also get social networking profiles and other things. So I wanted you to be aware of this, and it's my belief that similar services are available in other lucrative sales categories. Okay, just wanted to add that.